This week on The Fabulous Red Cooks, it's lobster time. We were blessed to be gifted these freshly caught lobsters, perfect for this month's Australian theme. Rather than the usual buttered or grilled lobster, this time I've decided it would be lobster curry. You'll need some fish curry powder and some basic ingredients and spices. Look at that freshness of the lobster, and cleaning it was an adventure. The curry leaves are sauteed to start with. Then I add in the mustard seeds, some fenugreek seeds. Leave that to fry till the seeds pop. Then it's time to add in the onions. And the sliced garlic. Continue to saute till everything goes soft and almost brown. Just enjoy that fragrance of everything combined together. Next in goes the fish curry powder and some water. Allow the curry paste to cook until the oil separates out to the surface. There you go, slowly but surely the oil is starting to appear to the surface. And this is a perfectly done curry paste. For that gravy, we add in some water. Allow the gravy to come to a boil. Then in goes the chilies, some salt, and it's time to put in the lobster. Yum! I'm gonna try and squeeze as many as I can in. Because of the nature of bulkiness of the lobster, it's important that you use a suitable sized pot so that it can all fit. Leave the lobster to come to a good boil and allow the flavors to slowly infuse into the curry and from the curry into the lobster. And it's time to add in the rest of the other ingredients. Look at how that transparent flesh changes color as it cooks. Bring everything to a final boil. And voila! That hearty lobster curry all ready just for me. This hearty lobster curry definitely makes for an exclusive dish at that dinner table. And here's what my lobster feast looks like. Today I leave you with some scenes of my lobster cleaning adventures, and to all those in Australia, I hope you have a lovely Australia day. I hope you've enjoyed this little compilation of Australian themed series. For more recipes, do subscribe to the Fabulous Red channel. See ya!